When I started down the street last Sunday, feeling mighty low and kinda mean, suddenly a voice said, "Go forth, neighbor, spread the picture on a wider screen." And the voice said, "Neighbor, there's a million reasons why you should be glad in all 4 seasons. Hit the road, neighbor, leave your worries and strife. Spread the religion of the rhythm of life. For the rhythm of life is a powerful beat, puts a tingle in your fingers and a tingle in your feet. Rhythm on the inside, rhythm on the street, and the rhythm of life is a powerful beat." Woo!